Today we're diving into Magnific AI, marketed as the best AI upscaler for images. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's take a closer look and see if it's worth your time and money. Magnific AI positions itself as a powerful tool for enhancing image quality using advanced AI algorithms. The core functionality revolves around upscaling images without losing detail, which is a big plus for photographers and graphic designers. When you first land on the site, it feels clean and user-friendly, which is great for those who might not be tech-savvy. However, while the interface seems straightforward, I found some details about the process a bit lacking. For instance, it's unclear how it compares to other tools on the market in terms of speed and quality. Also, the intended audience appears to be creatives looking for quick enhancements, but there's not much information on how it handles more complex images or large files. So, if you're looking for a quick solution to improve your images, Magnific AI might be appealing, but I'd like to see more transparency on how it works behind the scenes. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Magnific AI does deliver impressive results when upscaling images, retaining detail that you might lose with other tools. The user-friendly interface is a definite win, especially for beginners. On the flip side, there are some concerns. The lack of detailed information about its algorithms raises questions about reliability. Plus, I noticed that some users might be frustrated by the limited file format support. For those who work with different types of images, this could be a deal breaker. Pricing is another area of concern. While it offers a free trial, the subscription costs might deter casual users. If you're a professional looking for quality, you might find it worthwhile, but hobbyists may want to explore alternatives. In conclusion, Magnific AI has potential, especially for those needing quick image enhancements. However, if you're looking for a comprehensive tool with detailed insights and broader support, you might want to check out other options. Overall, it's worth trying, but approach with a bit of caution regarding its limitations.